Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, April 21st. This is David, and let's go all the way back to Monday, right? When we talked about how the price action in here stayed completely within Friday's range, right? So we stayed below or above Friday's low, below Friday's high, and for the most part, we've seen that continue throughout the week. Tuesday, we open ever so slightly above Friday's high, and then it's been completely inside not just last week's range, but just the range from last Friday all week long, just coiling. Now, there are a few reasons why I want to remind us of what we were looking at on Monday. One is certainly because we identified that that Friday's high had met certain upside targets, right? Some measured Fibonacci upside targets, and the pullback into Friday's low met certain downside retracement targets, and therefore staying in that range just sort of said, look, we may not have another direction yet, and until we do, it's hard to identify right what we want to look at from a Fibonacci proportion, and also identifying that we might stay within this range for a little bit, and boy, did we, perhaps even longer than I thought we might. I do have a gut feel that when we do exit the broad range that we've been in for, well, really about 3 weeks at this point, that probably it's going to be to the upside. We'll talk about that more a little bit in the premium video. But I think the other thing to review is simply what we were talking about here on Monday, along with all of this, is that the thing probably to watch in here, besides my gut feel, are these micro voodoo line levels, which really are the elements of Fibonacci which we can leverage here, right? These are include some Fibonacci analysis, pattern analysis, and other things that go into creating these micro voodoo line levels, and they give us price levels that are that we can see continue to be relevant. And as we talked about on Monday, it'll be the break either above 4156.88 or below 4120 that gets above and holds support above to show that we're breaking out, not just a poke above to the skyline above that comes back in, right? And it'll be the break below 4120 if that comes, which shows that we're heading lower, along with resistance below. So those are the levels I will keep my eye on. We'll wait and see what's next. Until then, we are trapped in a range. So it's a focus on short-term levels, and you can see the short-term levels I'm trading. Really, both directions is what I've been looking at all week, just short-term scalping, and we'll wait to see a break before we look at anything terribly trend-like. Hope you found that useful. It's the best I can do trapped in a range. So until I see you at the next update, as always, good trading.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.